Today, let's understand the difference between active hobbies and passive hobbies, and why both matter in modern life. Active hobbies are activities where you actively participate using your body, mind, or both. Examples include exercising, playing sports, gardening, painting, dancing, coding projects, public speaking practice, or learning a new language. These hobbies improve physical health, cognitive skills, creativity, and problem-solving ability. Recent studies highlight that active hobbies can reduce stress, improve brain plasticity, and enhance long-term mental well-being. On the other hand, passive hobbies involve receiving or consuming content with minimal effort. Examples include watching videos, scrolling social media, listening to podcasts, or casual TV viewing. Passive hobbies are useful for relaxation and mental recovery, especially after intense work, but excessive dependence can reduce attention span and physical activity. The key difference lies in engagement level. Active hobbies build skills and resilience, while passive hobbies primarily offer rest and entertainment. In today's digital age, balance is crucial. Experts recommend combining both, using passive hobbies for short breaks and recovery, and active hobbies for personal growth, health, and lifelong learning.